Hi, Riley. Your eyes looking a lot better. Yeah. Good evening, folks. I still feel a little gross, so that is why I haven't really been vlogging at all today. It's just I had a resource fair to go to too, so it was just a lot of moving, driving, and just bleh. What is that noise? Oh, it's Mike. They're howling. Howling. I'm not feeling well. Shut up. But we found something. We walked by some free stuff on our walk earlier. Got a free book about like many different cocktail recipes. Maybe we can try that. Yeah. I hope I feel better tomorrow. Okay. What? Take it back.
Oh, I didn't say anything.
You said I hope you don't.
No, I didn't.
I got it on video.
No, you didn't.
Jerk.
You
He's
got
a jerk.
Nothing.
I hate you. He's a jerk.
You're sleeping on the couch. I'm sleeping on the couch.
Yeah, you're sleeping on the couch, you jerk. Okay. Well, Riley's good. Jack's underneath the bed. Ted! Hey! Hi! Hi, beautiful boy. Riley. Ted. Usually Ted's in the window. Do you want some food? Oh, okay, probably. He probably wants to go to his food without being noticed. Ted's a ghost. I'm gonna get ready for bed now and probably head to bed early because...
You should have some more tea before you go to bed. Because your body heals the most when you're sleeping.
I don't feel like drinking. I had a whole thing of it. Like 2 mugs already. Gosh, that sounds like owls. Woo! Woo! I just want to say keep staying positive. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Happy Saturday. We're out for a morning walk with Riley. It's a beautiful morning. I think it's going to be a beautiful day as well. Gotta do some cleaning today.